On YouTube, it's your boy Vontae. We're back. Now we're back with another video. I think it's been I think the last time I posted was July 4th. Right, Saint? Yeah, since July 4th. So it's been about 2 weeks and some change. But like I said, as y'all know, we've been busy, so we've been trying to, But today is Sunday. Yesterday, we went fishing all day, most of the day. Today, though, for the car related stuff, we are going to a little car event, car show, whatever it is. It's hosted by Essence. If you know Essence out here in Houston, you know that means me going crazy every time. I'm still currently trying to figure out my electric situation because I would love to be out at night. But if we do go out at night, obviously we have hers. But yeah, that's all just various. Other than that, we're finna take both of the things out I think it's near Pearland area. And see what pulls up. I'm gonna be recording. I'm chatting up with some people. At the end of the day, still trying to make a name for myself. But other than that, yeah. And I think me and 4.6 Rocky, I think we're doing a 60 roll. So other than that, I catch y'all when we get to the cars. And yeah, it shouldn't be long of a drive, about 30 minutes or so. So we'll probably get there in 24. Start loud. You said what?
You said yours is about to be louder.
Get a load of this guy. We're about to head over to the beach. So 9 out of 10, I get to y'all once we get back to the beach. I don't know if y'all can hear me or not, but yeah. I'll catch y'all when we get to the beach. Louder. We are about 4 minutes away to the beach, so just give y'all tuned in, and once I pull up, get situated, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the whips that pull up. I catch y'all in a few. Hey, it's pouring raining. We didn't check the weather.
That's on you.
Yeah, it's on me. We didn't check the weather. Man, we didn't check the weather track. I'm my old man. Outside. You see, we got another Gen 1 S197 in the building. See, we got a C7 Vet. Grand Sport. Can't go wrong with a C7. We got this trash Gen 1. Another S197. This Nissan Skyline though. The wheels. Got the Need for Speed action going on. It's that Need for Speed drift car. That music loud. Huh? Would you get some candles? Yeah. We just went inside and she got herself some candles. But look like we had some other stuff pull up. We got another C7 Vet that pulled up. As you know, you got my homie Essence whip. Hey, yo. What's going on, bro? Man, this joint clean, big dog. And see, we got the Z06 Supercharged LS in the building. You got the Grand Sport, you got the Z06. Nice. This one is clean too. Those wheels? Look at those wheels, chat. Those wheels are nice. You got that Elantra. Oh, like it's on dunks. Got that junk cleared out. You got the BMW Prepare Performance. Can't go wrong with a BMW unless that junk gonna blow up. Yeah. I think that's the one that was that Mustang we gave. You got the Caprice pulling up. I don't know, but it's a Yeah, they're the VMS racing wheels. Yeah, that was hard. If I'm not mistaken, this was the same Mustang that was out at Mustang Week. That thing moves for what it is. It moves. I believe he just FBO. And I think the car was done at Aces, if I'm not mistaken. I could be right, could be wrong, but I heard that like months ago. The Caprice with the LS motor in it. You already know this thing. Got the exhaust. I believe it's a straight pipe, but it sounds good though. Trust me, it sounds good. You wanna race one?
I'll race you. Maybe let me win.
Live chat. She's talking about let's do a 6-year-old and give her a hit. Absolutely not.
You just said yes not that long ago. He lying, chat.
No, I didn't.
Yes, he did. He said he would give me the hit.
Yeah, I said I'd give her the hit, and then she said make her win at the same time. Why would I do that? Think about it. I might as well just not for it. And no offense, how your transmission is, but how your transmission is, she probably not even gonna make it.
No.
Exactly.
It's gonna be loud.
Yeah, I think it's just pretty stop.
Ain't no replacement for this place.
Nah, that one got courses though, so that
I
was.
want to hear the room.
It's stupid. That one's gonna be louder. That one got stop. That one, yeah. V06 supercharged. Got a single cab F-150 pulling out. Yeah, my shit goes down.
I love the rims on them. A lot different.
Wherever yours.
Down there.
You fast?
Yeah, I'm pushing 50 right now.
50 horsepower?
Yeah, Pat built. Joking.
Pat, if you see this video, I surely apologize. You got that from Nick.
Yeah. I was starting to rain.
Yeah. Yeah, you got that from Nick. Nick loves Pat built, chat.
He does all his cars Pat built.
As you can tell, we got rain clouds above us.
It's raining.
That means do a pool.
Yep.
When it rains, that means do a pool. General has a ported Boss 302, and I think he said no headers. But it still gets up, if I'm not mistaken. I've seen him do a couple of races. We may got lock in one. May got lock in. Oh, you got horses. Yeah, that one's on the right side. Yeah, that shit will work. chat? Sick. Now you can't go wrong with a Ford F-150 single cab, chat. Yeah, they're hard. I didn't know the trucks had 6 lugs. I mean, that joint is clean. I like that color.
Yeah, silver color.
Pow! Whose thing is that?
It's a V6.
It's a what?
It's a V6.
See, this girl wrote Pat built on the side of her thing. You're stupid. You're stupid. You hungry?
Where are we going?
Where are we going? Where are you gonna get food?
I don't know. I want pizza.
We have beef.
Bro, we have pizza made.
We have pizza back there. Look, the Berlin.
Oh, yeah. I haven't seen
Pizza is
them.
good.
He's got a Mac one. He's got bro, they're all done.
You good? You good? You good?
Bro, look at the back of it.
Oh, he went
That
on the
was
wrong way.
supercharged too.
That's hard. That's hard. You gotta swing, chat. Look at the exhaust tips right in the middle. Supercharged. How you doing, brother? Yeah, that joint is clean. And here it go raining again. Here it go raining again. That's hard. Yeah. Carbon driven. Look at the wheels. Carbon fiber. Good thing iPhones are waterproof. I think. Yeah, that's mud. Oh wait. You ready those things?
I don't know. It's don't be sick.
See, everybody's cars be having problems.
Look at this, bro.
Body wise.
The car wash.
Yeah, just not the cylinder, bro. Two
I can do
man.
the car wash.
You're 50 horsepower, that's crazy. You're stupid, man. See, we would do one, but unfortunately the weather is not on my side today. Soon I Ford in second to spinning. Enjoyed the video. We are back at the crib. I think I can be able to throw some clips in. As I can tell, we were rolling, we were moving. Shout out to Essence, great little turnout, little function going on. People, you know, promoting their business and stuff and selling stuff, which is always gonna go off in Houston. So there's always a bunch of businesses and people doing stuff. I believe my girl got some like candles and stuff. Got the crib smelling good. Give me a sec. I got this all pink Starburst. They don't hit right now. You're stupid. All right, all this aside, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We have something in talks right now. We're thinking about doing a cruise soon. I was talking about it with Essence, like a Mustang cruise. At first, he was saying all an S197, but it make it more interesting and more of a turnout. Just do Mustangs in general. So that should be fun if that turns out to be true. And that's gonna conclude our Sunday. We only got to work for 4 days coming up and off for 3. So yeah, we finna enjoy that. So catch y'all in the next video. And next video we'll be camming her 4.6 and long tubes, and adding an E85 with a drag pack and the swap, turbo, fuel injected, passenger leak.
I wish.
Nah, but nah. Again, We'll catch y'all in the next video. And next video, her and I will be doing a 6-year-old with no hit. Peace.
Wait, what?